Holy shit, bro. That's
full video on YouTube.
I was motoring in on it.
Really?
Oh, it's massive, bro.
Got the camera on?
Oh, he's huge. Massive. Oh no, he's gonna do me.
All fucking day, bro.
Oh my god, brother. Oh my god. He's like, bro, I've got him like under the scale or something.
They give up like this.
Yes! Holy bro.
Oh, he's a beast.
Holy shit, bro.
And look at it, eh?
Oh, I'm shaking, bro. Oh. Look at that tank, man. He's huge. 1.5 meters, brother.
But the biggest £1.5 meters.
Biggest £1.5 ever. We've been out here all day. I just about wrote the trailer off putting the boat in this morning. Holy shit, he's massive.
Like, he's like 2 hands nearly wide.
He's huge, bud.
Donkey fish.
Tank.